to recently. I just made a video a few seconds or minutes ago, I think. Or 15 minutes ago. This.
Pinigil super wild pa to pa.
It's maybe it's a few days. Yeah. Okay. Let me add the first one because I made that recently. Chico. Wait, guys, did I forgot that I made 3 videos in a row. 3 videos in a row. Okay, then. Have it. If I'm here now.
Oh my god.
I'll just wear my default.
Let's go to the adoption.
6.
Go to the adoption island.
Am I gonna be your kid right now?
No.
What? Then what?
I'm just gonna show you my house and you are gonna help me make it.
Really gago.
If you make it, I'm gonna delete it.
Super wild.
Like my cat and I sleep in the same bed, so
And this video is where I fighted 64 pillagers.
Alright.
okay. Okay. Go to the adoption island.
Okay, the second one.
I'm just you're just gonna come to me and
Okay.
I'm
I'll
gonna get
upload the part 1 of this video.
I'm gonna get my bee shuttle. I'm gonna get my bee shuttle. Yeah, I'm gonna get this.
Wild bee?
It's the legendary
For
one.
now.
Legendary. What's bro trading with me? This is the only rare I only have.
Hindi ka madakpan to, boss.
Okay, guys. We're
What
back.
has it?
I'll be in the adoption area. I want to be.
Bro, these items are trash.
Bro, just decline it if
Hirap
they're
itong
trash.
pa.
Let me see him. Bro's trying to trade everything he needs. He just wanted to get it.
Yeah, just decline it.
No! I wanted to. I really wanted that.
Did you just bring that here? Did you just give your cat?
Bro, the dango ones are so cute. I want them.
You mean the guy was trading them?
No, he was trading trash.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm heading here. What? Why is someone trading me?
Oh my god, where are you? I'm at the bus.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Oh my god. Beep beep.
Oh no! I'm gonna crash! Ah! I crashed. Oh my god, wait.
Why am I laggy? Never
Okay,
mind.
beep beep, where are you?
Oh, what the?
I'm here.
Mama, please. Please, I need. Mama!
Bakasak na.
Okay, wait. Beep beep, hatog ka dyan. Hatog ka
Darren!
dyan sa
Why the hell am I following you?
Beep beep, hatog ka dyan.
Wee!
Nasunod ka?
Yes. And why are we flying?
Why are you using,
What?
why are you using
You mean Gab's avatar, the old
Yeah,
avatar?
Yeah. No, it's his me. I mean, it's like, why did you like change your name to XRS_dream?
I was pretending to be Gab.
That means you're just copying you will be bad, you know? Get off. Get off.
Isa, let me just change to my default avatar.
Why don't I have a head?
Isa, how can I change my default avatar?
Just go down here.
And then
Wait. What the heck? That has like a whole body.
how can Isa? How can I just
Bro, you have to go to like a person that has a body and just click it and you'll have like so many bodies you can choose there.
you will click you?
Click like a body. You have to click that has a body like in the dressing.
And why are you
I
right
want
there?
it open. Okay, why don't you have a head and why don't I have a head? Oh, never mind. Okay, this is my home.
Okay, but
Why won't you look?
stop it. Stop it.
Ang lamig pinong ng gatos, no?
Now, beat it. Hindi ka Arabi! Hindi ka Arab, bayo!
Wait. Wait, that was just okay there.
This is my home, stupid white boy.
I know.
I know.
How you're flying? Oh yeah, I thought you were
I'm
flying.
lagging.
Okay, I'll just change my animation. I want to change my animation to my favorite one.
Oh. Ano, kapti? Di na din, mama. Yan, minggo, dala rin.
I'm gonna add a builder.
Mama, 10
Sorry,
minutes.
Mama, ang gawin
Can
ito.
we stay here for 10 minutes,
I
Ma?
added you two friends.
Oh my God, why should I build?
Alam niyo, manigaw ka lang. Si Manong mo to sa may ano, baby.
Because
Matutarakan.
I don't have a lot of money because I added
Why is everything free?
Okay lang kita.
choosing that one.
A bit of bag. Where should I
Why would you get that?
Kiskis naman.
Oh, Mama.
Ano ka ba? Ano yung problema, ha? Ano yung problema?
We already have a bed.
Then why would
Anjay!
Why would you add one more?
Nabaho ng pitoy, ha?
we should add for your cat though?
Mas nangyutan na ikaw.
Bro, we already have a bed for my baby.
Nabaho.
And why is the empty room here?
I didn't finish building that.
Oy, what should I put then?
Ayo.
What?
What should I put then?
Ano yung gagatas sa talitet?
What is a report?
Gagatas.
What should I put here?
Tingnan na hinom naman.
It's a bathroom.
Wait. Like,
I'm impersonating it.
you want the bathroom, right?
Ito ko masawaan na.
Yeah, but make it cute.
How can I make it cute when I'm not good at building?
I thought you were good at building.
But now,
Why is there a sink that's upside down?
Ay, bu.
huh?
Ay, bu.
Wait. I was just rolling.
Ha?
Is it not
Why
outside?
is there like? Why is there a lot more? Like why were?
I think I'm laggy, so.
Yeah, because of the damn crap Wi-Fi that we have.
Antan na.
I'm gonna make it little.
I have a kitchen. I'm just gonna spend like a few bucks.
Ano?
Okay.
Abo ba? Gidaw na ano?
I'm gonna spend a few
Gidado,
bucks.
timo doy. Gidado, timo doy. Dado ka. Anjay naman.
Dado.
Hindi.
Why is it like this?
Where?
Why is the? I forgot that you can steal it. Okay, so you can do this now. Why there's a mango guy here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is my pet.
Can I have him?
What the hell should I give you? My pet.
Oh, ginawa ka na ni mo on.
Dali na ulag.
Wait.
Time guru yamat ra.
I got the cat.
Dali na mapanong kita rin.
I got 3 rare. I got 3. I got 3. I got two rares and 2 commons. Isa, I got 2 rares and 2 commons.
Si Anan, tuto ka ni sinundan. Lab.
Say goodbye rin. Dali na mapanong ka rin. Matawag sa akong.
Bye-bye Ran. Tomorrow is another day.
Can we stay for 10 minutes?
No, you cannot. Because tomorrow
Bye,
is
stop.
another day. Bye.
Bye-bye, Chan.
Okay guys, bye.